A practical application, innovative electrical services. Carl started by transforming IES into an asset of value by developing a standard sales process with sales activity targets. Thereafter, Carl designed a recruitment and selection process with which he recruited 2 salesmen. Carl's next step was to start a training and development program to build intellectual property within IES. Earlier, Carl considered what resources the business will need. Refer Part 1, Step 3C, and more specifically, what total assets the business must acquire, including a commercial property, light commercial vehicles, desktop computers, laptop computers, tablet computers, a server with telephony for the offices, multifunction printers, office furniture, hand and power tools, and rigging equipment. In this chapter, I will discuss what methods of funding Carl can consider. More specifically, how Carl can fund the acquisition of the following assets for IES: a commercial property, a light commercial vehicle, laptop computers, tablet computers, office furniture, hand and power tools. A commercial property. Carl made the decision that IES must acquire a commercial property for the following reasons. Owning a commercial property will enable IES to run its operations effectively without any external constraints. Owning a commercial property will contribute to building shareholder value and developing equity. The difference between the increasing property value and the decreasing debt over time strengthens IES's ability to negotiate better funding terms with financiers. IES presently has sufficient cash reserves for a 20% deposit amounting to 600,000 Rand, which should enable the business to acquire a commercial property valued at approximately 3 million Rand. After consulting with Constructum Consulting, Carl is confident that a commercial property loan can be secured over a term of 7 years at a rate of finance of 13% per annum, resulting in a monthly debt installment of just over 43,000 Rand. Currently, IES pays a landlord rent amounting to 14,000 Rand. Acquiring the property therefore results in a net increase in operational expenses of just over 29,600 Rand per month, which Carl believes the business can afford. In fact, the financial results of IES shows that the business has been able to generate earnings well in excess of its current obligations. 1 light commercial vehicle. At present, Carl believes that the business needs 1 additional light commercial vehicle valued at 460,000 Rand. After consulting with Constructum Consulting, Carl decides that the best funding method for acquiring the light commercial vehicle is an asset finance term loan over 5 years for the following reasons. Carl knows from experience that the business can use a light commercial vehicle for at least 8 years. After the debt has been settled in 5 years, the business will have debt-free use of the vehicle for at least another 3 years. Buying a new commercial vehicle also comes with a warranty and maintenance plan, which Carl can choose to extend for a nominal amount. This will give IES carefree use of the vehicle for a number of years. An asset finance term loan provides for a loan term of 5 years at an estimated rate of finance of 17% per annum and with a 10% deposit, which translates into an affordable monthly repayment of just over 10,000 Rand. Technology. Carl recently appointed 2 salesmen who both need laptop computers. In addition, Carl wants the 2 team leaders to start using tablet computers when installing and testing solar solutions. After consulting with Constructum Consulting, Carl decides that a pure rental option is the best funding solution for this need for the following reasons. Neither the salesman nor the technicians need high-spec devices. 3 to 4-year-old devices provided by an IT rental business will suffice. The provider includes insurance in the affordable monthly rental. IES need only commit to a 1-year rental contract, and the provider even includes an option to purchase the equipment for a nominal amount at the end of the rental term. Office furniture, hand and power tools. Carl needs to acquire office furniture to accommodate the 2 salesmen and wants to update some of the hand and power tools. Carl decides that the best funding method for acquiring these assets is to use some of the business's substantial cash reserves for the following reasons. The hand and power tools are not too costly. Both the hand and power tools retain their usefulness for a long period of time. The furniture also is not too costly and will retain their usefulness for a long time. In conclusion, Carl makes funding decisions based on what he believes is best for IES and what will be most beneficial for creating shareholder value. Next, Carl needs to decide on the best combination of funding methods for trade activities.